Dear fellow, let's talk about what is arrogance. Arrogance is an exaggerated sense of self-importance where a person believes they are arrogant, better, smarter, or more valuable than others, and they show it in their words, tone, or behavior. An arrogant person often looks down on others, rejects advice or feedback, always wants to be right, shows little respect for other people's opinions. It's different from confidence. Confidence is believing in yourself while still respecting others. Arrogance is believing you are above others and dismissing them. Why is arrogance developed? 1. Insecurity hidden behind pride. Some arrogant people actually feel insecure deep down, so they overcompensate by acting superior. 2. Upbringing and environment. If a person grew up being told they are better than everyone else or never faced constructive criticism, arrogance can form. 3. Success without humility. Achieving wealth, fame, or power without learning humility often makes people arrogant. 4. Social status and privilege. When someone is in a higher position for a long time, they might start to feel naturally above others. 5. Personality traits. Some people naturally have dominant, competitive personalities that can lean toward arrogance if unchecked. Is arrogance by birth or later in life? Not by birth. Babies are not arrogant. They simply express needs. Later in life, arrogance develops through upbringing, experiences, environment, and personal choices. Certain personality types or social situations make it more likely, but it's learned, not inherited. How to deal with an arrogant person. 1. Stay calm and confident. Don't let their attitude make you feel small. 2. Don't compete for superiority. Avoid turning it into a power struggle. It usually fuels their arrogance. 3. Use clear, firm boundaries. Politely let them know when behavior is disrespectful. 4. Focus on facts, not ego. Keep discussions objective instead of emotional. 5. Limit emotional involvement. If possible, keep interactions short and professional. How to treat or manage arrogance. 1. Self-awareness training. Helping the person realize how their behavior affects others is the first step. 2. Empathy development. Encouraging them to see situations from other people's perspectives can soften arrogance. 3. Feedback and reflection. Constructive criticism, if accepted, can help change patterns. 4. Counseling or therapy. A psychologist or counselor can help uncover the root causes, often insecurity or past experiences. 5. Mindfulness practices. Meditation, gratitude journaling, and self-reflection can reduce the need to prove superiority. Who can help treat arrogance? Psychologists for behavior and mindset change. Life coaches for practical strategies in humility and communication, counselors for relationship repair and social skill building. Arrogance is not an inborn trait. It's learned and shaped by life experiences, upbringing, and personal choices. It can be reduced or even eliminated if the person is willing to self-reflect and work on empathy. For others dealing with arrogance, the best tools are boundaries, calm confidence, and focusing on facts instead of ego battles.